Not many people know this, but this quiet little island I just arrived to once carried a powerful name. They call it the Island of Liberty. Most people have never even heard of Isola di San Pietro. Neither had I, until I saw it on the map and felt this pull to go somewhere untouched. What do you think about this place? Wow. Ooh la la. So one option is to be parked here with the beauty out there. Hola, Tindra! Or we can park here. The issue though, when it looks like this, like the whole ground is like not even. So we need to find some rocks if we are supposed to, if we decide to park here. But I mean, the sunrise is there, so I would love to have the sunrise because yeah, tomorrow is gonna be better weather. But I would love to open up the back doors and have the view over there. Oops! I was so afraid of the...
Yeah.
It's a little...
Yeah, it's a little...
pothole, kind of a big one. Shit. Oops. We need to find some rocks, because now we are like this.
Okay, now Therese has a crazy challenge to drive up on these rocks that are put in place. And let's see how this is gonna go. She's gonna have to go in one go, one in the front and one crazy one in the back. So I'll give her thumbs up. All right. That is spectacular. Yeah, that's good enough.
Woo!
Woo!
Okay. Here we have some part from my car. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Let's hope I can get this back. Am I skilled or am I skilled? Got it up on the rocks. Ooh la la! Okay, I've done it before. I'm not bragging, but I have. While millions flock to Sicily, Sardinia, and even Sant'Antioco each year, this island stays quiet. Isola di San Pietro sees just a tiny fraction of that tourist wave. No crowds, no big resorts. For 25 euros and a 30 minutes ferry, you get raw coastline, wild cliffs, and a heartbeat of history beneath the silence. It's one of those places people overlook, and that is exactly what makes magic. A true hidden gem, still holding on to its soul. Is this even my reality? Oh, I'm almost getting like, I'm almost crying. Like I wake up, and now Tommy is waking up so early, so you always get the sunrises. Like we wake up around like 6 a.m. in the morning, like ding! But then we go to bed also at like 9. And I mean, then we can wake up and have some amazing mornings. I'm getting so excited when I like wake up to this. And I remember why I do what I do. And no wake up alarm, just nothing, just me and the nature. Ooh la la. And I do not take it for granted. How was the morning spot?
Morning spot is absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, let's go.
Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
What are you doing?
I'm picking up all these glass. There's been a bunch of beer bottles broken. And that's not too nice.
No, you're so good.
I'm just getting some good karma.
Yes. Oh, that's good.
So now I got all of it.
And look at this girl. Are you living your life, Tindra? Are you absolutely loving your life? Sitting up there, watching all this. Cats love to be on high spots, apparently. How are you? How are you? Hi, girl. Freedom here wasn't always so quiet. In the 1800s, this island was booming thanks to the mines. Galena ore, manganese and so on. The port swarmed with sails and sweat. So traces from absolutely some mining going on. Hard work, rough hands and revolutionary dreams. In fact, this tiny island once tried to rewrite the rules completely. In 1793, French revolutionaries and Icelanders together declared this the Island of Liberty. Italy's first republican constitution was written here. Imagine that, an island forgotten by most, but once bursting with ideals of freedom, equality, rebellion. The same ideals I chase on the road. So we were just walking and then we hear like kaprooms! And then it was some turtles jumping into the water. Aww, hola, hello there. You can really tell that this island is on a upbuild for tourism. There is not so many signs. There is no campings. There is like not so many hotels. It's like we have seen maybe a few. Yeah, I think we have seen a few. But and the scenery is just like untouched. So I hope they can make it more touristy in one way, because the roads will be easier to access and spots to go to. But it's also a little bit nice that it's like a hidden gem that is actually very, very stunning, and not many people have been going here and exploring. Oh my god! I mean, look at this place. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Whoop. Oh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Woo. I have to say, just strolling around in this island, this smaller island, even the town is prettier. Like the whole island, I like this way more than Sant'Antioco. I don't know how to describe it, but like the town is more colorful, the town is like prettier, and the nature is just stunning. The town of Carlo Forte greets you quietly. No grand welcome signs, no polished tourist boards, just locals laughing in their dialect, kids on their trimmed motorbikes. This place feels untouched, like Sardinia before tourism happened. Not every destination needs to be famous to leave a mark on your heart. Isola di San Pietro reminded me of the value of stillness, of slow mornings, of finding the extraordinary in the overlooked. This is why I live this life. This is why I keep going.